Hey guys, this is Kevin from New York. Today, I just want to share with you all on why I have put all my money into OXY. So, for those of you who doesn't know what OXY is the stock symbol for Occidental Petroleum. It is one of the largest oil producers in the U.S. and it also have assets across the world in Middle East, Africa, and Latin America. And also in this video, I will also be sharing with you my entire portfolio, so you don't just think that I'm actually like BSing about that I have put all my money into Oxy. So before going into anything else, I have a disclaimer. So I do not provide any financial guidance. This is completely just my 2 cents on my stock investment. I'm like the last person in the world that you should listen to for like financial advices. So I just want to share with you like three data points that I have used to drove my decision into putting all my money into Oxy. So they are like the oil usage recovery, the oil price versus stock price, and also the potential growth percentage to for the stock when it gets back to pre-COVID. And then last but not least, I will show you my portfolio and what is my plan like going forward. So today let's look into oil usage recovery. So all these data are all public data. You can just get them easily. Just go to like EIA.gov. Just follow the link below here. These are all public data. And for those of you who doesn't know what EIA is, it's essentially the primary federal government authority on energy statistics and analysis. So based on them, as you could see, this is like the forecast for world's oil production and the world's consumption. As you can see, like we are currently at the middle of Q2 right now. So going forward, you could see like it's basically the economy is coming back. So you see like all these oil consumption going up gradually. And so this the graph over here shows you a more holistic view on how the oil will be recovering, perhaps growing more into the future. And on the right here, you see this it narrows it down into like barrels per day basis. So same thing here. We're probably somewhere over here right now. As you could see, we're using around like 95 or 96 millions per barrels per day. But as time goes on, as more and more people gets vaccinated, people started to go out and travel more. As you can see, the oil consumption will actually go back. And based on the forecast, it will take probably to like the first quarter of 2022 to hit the rate that the world was consuming pre-COVID. So this was also like it's clearly the economy is coming back. Oil usage is going up. Secondly, when you look at the oil price versus the stock price for Oxy, as you can see, like for pre-COVID, the oil price is at $51.51 per barrel, and now the current oil price is $63.13 per barrel. Meaning, so Oxy sells petroleum, so the higher the value is over here, the more money that they will rake in every single quarter. So as you could see now, like the oil per barrel it has already surpassed what the price was pre-COVID. So that's why like even now when you go out, when you get gasoline and stuff like that, get gasolines, the price of gasoline has gone up dramatically over like the past few months. So like as you could see, the difference between the prices of pre-COVID to current, by current meaning April 16, like it's actually it went up by like $11.62. So, but the interesting thing is now let's take a look at the stock price. So we have like so pre-COVID time, I use February 14 as the benchmark because February 14 is basically before the dramatic dip happens. So these are all public data. You could just go on Yahoo Finance and look at them. And as we can see, like pre-COVID, the price was $42.00, and now currently the price is and now like the stock price is only at $24.38, which makes me thinking like the world is vastly confused about how much Occidental Petroleum is worth, because clearly based on this data that you see here, it's essentially like it's generating more revenue at this time because the oil price is higher. It's higher by like $11.62, but the stock price is actually $17. $17.69 less lower. So this actually brings up a good point. Like I highly believe that this is a great opportunity, because as you could see, it is now generating perhaps more revenue than pre-COVID time. Yet the stock price is actually lower than the pre-COVID time. So third, let's look at the potential growth of the stock right now if we were to compare this the current price, and then if it goes up to like the pre-COVID time. So again, all these are public data. You could take a look at it. The price that I took here was based on the price that I got yesterday, which is April 16th. So the current price is around it's $24.38. And then this target price is the price that I got for pre-COVID, which is previously, I got this for the date that I got is for February 14, 2020. So like at that time, the price was $42.07. So if you take the difference between these, you could still see like a potential 76% growth. So just number wise, if you were to actually invest $1,000 in this stock right now, and when it gets back to pre-COVID price, it will be worth $1,725. So I personally like believe this is such a great opportunity. So I actually dump all my money into this stock. So next, let's see. So next, I want to share with you all my portfolio. So as you can see, my current portfolio, it's the total value. I have like 422,000 in there. And if you look at this, it's not diversified. So if you look at what I have in my portfolio, so basically I have Oxy, ET, and Oxy WS. This is the same thing as Oxy, because this is like this is the warrant that Oxy has gave out to its shareholders last summer because they couldn't afford to push the dividend. And also I have SBCE. But as you can see, these are just like peanuts when these are just basically peanuts, like 2,500 when you compare to my overall stake at Oxy. So yeah, although I still have like some in ET, but my plan is to I might actually sell these in the coming month to buy more stocks in Oxy. But as you can see, this is my largest holding in Oxy is my largest holding in stock. And as well as you can see, I still have like $66,000 left in cash. And what I am planning to do with these extra cash right now is I am planning to divide them into 4 separate acquisitions. And I am putting all these money into Occidental Petroleum. And as you could see, like right now, another number is I have my overall portfolio gain at this point is like 103,000, and it's mainly because of Occidental Petroleum. So I have been actually buying Occidental since like April 2020, when the stock has been dipping like crazy, and I was kind of like the sole believer in this with my friends. But I have been buying a lot, and I have been like buying out, averaging the price cost a lot. So this is my plan. In summary, my plan is I am actually planning to put more money into Occidental Petroleum in the coming 2 weeks. So because I really believe in this stock. So yep, and I guess. Yeah, that's it. So if you have any questions, please comment below, or share your thoughts on what you would like to see in my future videos. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you for watching.